Hi all, this is Simrita Basroor. Welcome to this short video of #motivation and me. This initiative has been done by me few days back. Let us see more about this as we proceed. We all know that the world is going through a tough time and we are in it together. Still, along with words, actions do play an important role. So here's what we did. We sent a message to a group of people who would like to share their positive experiences about life in these tough times. The message was in form of a question. What made them keep going on in spite of all the problems they faced? Check out some of the brilliant motivational messages ahead. I'm so proud of them all. A true lesson and inspiration for all of us. Do remember, we are in this together. The names of the people who have sent me the messages, some of them wanted to keep it anonymous and some of them wanted their names to be displayed. So I have done them accordingly. Let us see more on the other side. Happy watching! This message is by Anonymous. Taking help when needed is what has helped me to keep going. Made me realize that I can't control my life. I can just keep flowing. Thank you very much for this initiative. Thank you indeed. Let us check the next message. This message is by Karthik. Seeing the joy on my child's face while playing motivates me. It helps me to move on in spite of all the problems in my life. Indeed, Karthik, this is really great. This message is kind of a motivation to all the parents out there. Next message. When I wake up in the morning, I motivate myself by saying this one line. I can do anything and everything in my life. It helps me to keep going. In my opinion, self-motivation is a very important concept. However, we hardly pay heed to it. Indeed, we need to actually self-motivate ourselves. Thank you very much for this message. Let us check the next message. Get up and work is my motto. I keep going on and on. Helps to sort out what I need to do and what is necessary. Thank you very much for this message. It indeed is very much important as you keep going on moving in life. These tough times have helped me to see a lot of things clearly. Mainly would like to thank you as your message pushes me to work towards whatever goal I decide. It's tough to keep going honestly, especially when I have lost a near one and I am out of my job. It's terrible to go on, but I have to try. This indeed is a super motivational message. Thank you so much. This message is by Udita. My work has inspired to keep me going in these tough times. The will to help and serve people in such times motivated me to keep going through. Very kind of you, Udita, and thank you very much for this message. #motivation and me is very much close to my heart. As a mental health professional, I know the pains and process one goes through. How hard it becomes for an individual to choose whether to let go or to stay strong. But remember, in every situation, just try to keep going. Take one step at a time. And this can only happen through motivation. That is self-motivation. So keep on motivating yourself. Get up, move on, try new things, keep new goals, and keep flourishing. One step at a time. Thank you.